Yo, what up, y'all? This GC, man. Coming at y'all with another project. I just bought a camper yesterday. Bought it for $200, 28 footer. I'm about to make it out of a flatbed trailer. Just want to show y'all how it look. It ain't nothing decent. The floors and everything up in here is just brittle. When I bought it, this is pretty much how it looked. Besides the siding, my dad has been taking it loose from me this morning. It's ragged out. Junky. It's gonna take a lot to get this out of here and transport it to the dump, but I mean it's a project, so I wasn't expecting it to be the best. Y'all will view the outside of it. As long as the frame good on it, I'm Gucci with it. Me. Back of it, I don't know. I have no idea what that is. The other side of it, the way he started taking it loose at. Yeah. It ain't bad for a 28 footer. Last night it came in pretty good. The only thing I was nervous about is getting the I was hoping that the tires didn't go out on me, but evidently they pretty good, or good enough. Was good enough for me to make it home with it. Everything looked pretty good on it. The frame or nothing ain't cracked on it. I done checked everything on that already. But it's the other side. Yep. And I can't wait till I get this sucker completely stripped down. I wish I could help him out, but I'll be at work. I can't get it like I want. So, yep. So yeah, that's my little project that I got. So this is what I'm gonna be working on for, I guess, the next couple of weeks. Once I get everything stripped down all the way down, I'm gonna go ahead on and just get the boards that it need. Whatever the weld need to be done, I'm pretty sure I can find somebody that can handle that for me. I'm gonna get it right though, you know. It ain't take my time with it and get it right. I just got to get all this craziness off of here. I don't even, the dude told me somebody was actually living in this thing like this, so whoever that is, kudos to you. But yeah, man, this is what I'm gonna be doing for the next couple of weeks. We'll keep y'all updated, so y'all go ahead on and follow me, subscribe, like the video, whatever y'all want to do. Y'all just get at me, baby. GC, get at me.